This is the best mess ever!
I can't find my car.
It's right here under the blocks.
Everybody, everywhere.
Everybody do your share. Toys on the floor, books on the shelf. Let's put them all away by ourselves. Everybody, everywhere.
Toys on the floor, books on the shelf.
Everybody do your share. Whoa, look at this mess. We should definitely clean it up later.
But first, let's play with the astronaut.
Let's put them all away by ourselves. Cleaning up is really able.